Hi guys, in today's video, Sabrina is sharing with us how she prepares and grills her steak. She served it with some mashed potato, some sauteed green peppers or bell peppers, onion, corn, and mushroom. So to make this, she's going to start off with some butter, and to that butter she's adding in some parsley flakes and giving that a mix. Now she said if you wanted to add additional seasonings to the butter, you can. She's lightly salting the steaks with salt, black pepper, and some Montreal seasoning on both sides. That's Montreal steak seasoning. Next, this goes onto your grill or griddle pan. And once you place your meat onto your pan, you don't turn it until it has those marks. You want it to have those very dark or dark brown grill marks before you flip it. Flip and continue to grill. Now, at this point, you can cook this for as long as you want. If you wanted it rare, medium rare, or well done, you cook it according to how you would like it. Now she's going to go on with some of that butter sauce that she made. My suggestion would be to add some fresh garlic to that butter sauce. It would really add additional flavor to this steak. And baste that onto the steak. Once it's basted on, the steak is now ready to be enjoyed. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this easy recipe on how to cook and how to season steak. I will work on that hash recipe for that corn, mushroom, sweet pepper, and onion hash. Thank you all so much for watching. All of the temperatures to cook the meat will be down in the description box.